Hi guys, today I have a really special treat for you all. When last have you had a red solo or a white solo with some evaporated milk? I remember growing up and my mom used to always make this on a Sunday. So to make this, you're going to start by placing your red or white solo into a glass with ice. Next, you want to slowly pour in that evaporated milk. You need to do it in this order because if you do it in the opposite order, it's not going to turn out the way that it should. The milk will separate from that soda and it will split and it's not going to taste the same. Next, you just want to mix to incorporate. And once you've mixed this in, it's now ready to be served. There are no exact measurements for this recipe, so you will not find measurements down in the description box. If you guys remember having this as a kid, leave me your comments down below. I'd love to hear your experience. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!